In this example, we're going to find the APY, given some information about a bank's offer. And the bank here is offering an APR of 6.6% compounded daily. Now, to determine this, we actually are going to make some assumptions about what the principal and the number of years could be. And for these particular assumptions, it doesn't matter actually what numbers we pick, but we're going to stick with some simple values. So let's let P equal, let's say $1,000, and the number of years, Y, equal 1. And with this information, what we'll now do is place these values along with the fact that this is an APR of 6.6%, also 0.066 written as a decimal, and N is 365 because this bank is making this offer compounded daily. So we're going to use all of this together with the formula here to find the amount in the account after 1 year. So you can see here I've just replaced those values for P, Y, APR, and N into the formula, and I get this information. I'm now going to plug that into my calculator and calculate it. So you can see I just type that into my calculator, and I get the following account balance. And I don't want to round too much until the final answer, so I'll actually keep more digits here than what I typically would. I'm going to write down all of the digits in this answer. So again, what we just calculated was the amount now in this account where we determined the principal and we determined the amount of time, but we were given the APR and we were given the number of compoundings. And this was after, again, 1 year. So what we're going to now do with this information is see how much this changed in that time. And this is really a relative change. So here, let's do this relative change from 1,068 point, and I'm going to write down all these digits, minus the reference value, which is what we began with, and that will be divided by the reference value, again, what we began with. And let's now calculate that, and I get 0.06822. I think at this point I could probably stop. I believe I have enough digits because I'm asked to represent this as an annual percentage yield, or APY. And even notice up here in the problem where the space is, I'm going to type in my answer, there's already a percent symbol. So we now need to change this decimal into a percent by moving the decimal place 2 places. So that's how we get 6.82% is the APY.